Are you hungry for more education? We're working with the Bernina 880 Plus sewing and embroidery machine. Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and I want to tell you how wonderful Craftsy.com is. So if you're looking to just go beyond just learning your machine with our videos and our online courses, like with our Bernina Stitching Cosmos online course or our Embroidery Essentials online course, I want to invite you over to the Craftsy website. Now there's links below this YouTube video, and I would appreciate if you would click on them when you're going and checking it out, because if you do make a purchase, we do get credit for your classes that you buy. Here's the nice thing. Number one, I am also a Craftsy instructor. I have two classes over there. One, a serger class, help you master your serger and all the things that go with it. And I also have a t-shirt quilt class. But what is Craftsy really? So it's over 1,500 classes, all online, that you can go through. You can buy the classes individually and keep them for life, or you can do what I do and sign up for their premium membership, which is kind of like Netflix for craft people. So it means you get to watch all the classes across all the platforms. And when I say all the platforms, I'm talking about sewing classes, knitting classes, woodworking, photography, cake decorating, cooking classes, other wellness classes, paper, crafts, oh my gosh, jewelry making, I could go on. So there's a whole list, and I hope you'll check those classes out. When you want to just sit down, you want to learn something and not just turn on the TV, this is the place I go. And there's so many projects if you're quilting, sewing, garment sewing. We just finished some videos on cover stitch machines, and there was 2 additional classes on Craftsy just on cover stitch that we were able to assist people to learn more about their machines. So I hope you'll check it out. Check out my classes. Leave a comment below if these have been helpful for you, and join us over at sewingmastery.com, where we have lots of information, a blog, and lots of other videos on sewing machines, embroidery machines, and sergers of Bernina, Husqvarna Viking, Pfaff, Singer, and Brother machines.